Hey, it's your girl Kelly. I'm back with another video. It's so funny because like when I vlog, y'all, it's like so random. Let me see if I can get some better light. Okay, I feel like this filter is a little bit better because it kind of like shows my actual skin color. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to be doing, guess what I'm about to be doing? Comment down below when your professor makes a comment on your work. I have a whole thing set up. I'll show you guys. That's why I'm echoing. But I have my phone here and I'm doing my hair. Obviously I'm doing my hair. I just washed it, conditioned it. I'm going out of town this week and it's kind of tropical or whatever, so I'm gonna do braids on my hair. I think the last thing I was telling you guys was I was preparing for my marketplace, but y'all, I didn't go. That's a long story. Not really. Oh wow, so I can see it really clearly now. Okay, so I have my iPad. Oop, can y'all see? And so I can see the back of my head. A game changer. I actually got this tip from somebody on YouTube. So you could just really part and really do some damage. Like, this is like so cool. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna try to finish in one day. A lot of people take 2 days, 3 days. I keep breathing hard because I feel like I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I did practice last night on my edges, but it's just like the in-between. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing today. This is not a tutorial video. This is just a Kelly video. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you like videos like this, and we're just gonna get into this video.
I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29.
Before you go, this is my setup, y'all. Got my spule rack. Put in some, I'm doing Goddess or Bohemian, so I'm gonna be putting in some old tracks. And then I'm all parted. Like I told you guys, this was a game changer. So I just did my part and we're about to start. All right guys, all right ladies, we're making progress. Well, it's been 4 hours, but yeah, I was really struggling. I don't know if y'all can see, but I do have like the goddess look going on, the bohemian little, I'm leaving out some Brazilian hair. It is so bomb. I cannot wait till it is all. I wanted it like right here, but it's okay. I'm still doing good. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so as you guys can see, take them out for you guys. I'm pretty much almost done. I am not where I lay my head, just so y'all know. But I did want to show you guys like a little glimpse of my braid. You can't really see the side. Okay, there you go. And then if I pull it up, you can see the bohemian effect or gypsy, or I've seen so many names for this style, y'all. So gypsy style, bohemian, boho. And like my human hair isn't curly, so it's just kind of like, it's just there. But once I get up here, like when I finish up here, I plan to put more at the beginning of the braid so that you can actually see it. Because like if you sitting right here like this, I'll be able to see that effect. But I guess you kind of can. But yeah, also gonna let you guys know how long it took me. These are like medium size. I was going for like a medium size, like it's not small but not medium, but it ended up being medium to me, I think. Yeah, this is a medium. That's medium. And I'll probably keep these in for like 3 weeks. So I'm about to do, I have these 2 left on this row, and then I have 3 more rows to go. So I'll show you guys the end part where I put, you know, what the girls told me I need to put on it. I'll show y'all me doing one braid because I really haven't shown y'all me doing them. And this is not a tutorial video. I already told y'all this is not a tutorial. This is me doing my hair so I don't have to go get it done. And so I'll show you guys doing like the first one right here.
shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son.
Yeah, probably not gonna be able to like see. I finished my hair. And I'm going to Jamaica in 2 days. So I'm about to take a shower, and then I'm going to attempt to find some outfits to wear. I was this close to being like, y'all have fun, but it's paid for. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna finish my hair tomorrow and I'll show you guys. These are my braids, y'all. And so tomorrow what I'm gonna do, I'm still picking out an outfit right here. And I have like I'm gonna look through 2 different boxes to see if I can find some outfits. I've been like working out and like I've been buying stuff for like my new body, but my new body ain't bodying right now. It's coming along, but it's just yeah. But yeah, like I was saying, these are the final results of the ends. I'm going to dip them in water and do the whole mousse thing tomorrow. So I'm just going to see you guys tomorrow because it's late and my camera's not yet. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow. So it is 3 o'clock. It's 3:52. Here's Nigeria. She just graduated over there.
Period.
And I don't know who this is. What's your name? Salem and Lily. And so we're not supposed to go to sleep apparently. Hey. Say hey. Connection with Lily. We're going to Jamaica tomorrow. And so I'm gonna record a little bit, and then the rest of it I'm gonna do like a voiceover so y'all can I can just kind of talk about what's happening. But y'all, I got my fan because I ain't got time for this heat. And yeah, I'm just making sure I have everything. I'm looking for my Vaseline, but I don't know where I put it. I'm bringing this right here, and then I have that little black carry-on. I didn't bring that much stuff, and yeah, so I'll see you guys at the airport.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart.